Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Autobot. So anyways, this is the 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. We installed the supercharger, Vortex supercharger. We show the intercooler. The intercooler. So anyway, let's hear this. Let's hear this drawl, okay? Okay. They dyno that at 650 horses. And on top of this is the Okay, so that's it, folks. That is the Vortex supercharger. They dyno that at 650 horses with an aftermarket cams. And any one of you who needs a modification like this, like a power adder, whether it's a turbocharge or a supercharge, just come over to Autobot and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.